Dear students, in our previous session we discussed about the introduction part of trigonometric function. In that we discussed about angle and the system of measurement of angle. So that we have three systems. The first one is sexagesimal system, and the next one is centesimal system, and the next one is circular system. So in the last class we discussed about and we studied about sexagesimal system and centesimal system. See, what is meant by sexagesimal system? It is a degree measure, okay, in which we are using degrees. See, here one revolution means 360 degree, or 1 degree is nothing but 1/360th of revolution. 1/360th of revolution is nothing but 1 degree. And 1 minute is nothing but 1/60th of degree, that is nothing but 1/60 degree. So that we can say 1 degree is nothing but 60 minutes. 1 degree means 60 minutes. Similarly, 1 minute we can again divide into 60 equal part. Each part is called as 1 second. So 1 second is nothing but 1 divided by 60th of minute. Okay, means 1/60 minute is called as 1 second. So we can say 1 minute can be written as 60 seconds. Okay, so 1 degree means 1/360th of revolution. 1 degree means 60 minutes. 1 minute is nothing but 60 seconds. Similarly, 1 right angle is nothing but 90 degree here. If you divide a revolution, complete revolution into 4 equal part, 1 right angle will get. Each right angle have 90 degree. Okay, but in centesimal system, cent means 100. So here 1 right angle is nothing but 100 grades. It is a grade system, okay, in which 1 right angle is nothing but 100 grades. And we can take 1 grade as 100 minutes by dividing. Okay, here if you divide 1 grade into 100 equal part, each part is called as 1 minute. So 1 minute is nothing but 1/100th of grade. So 1 grade is nothing but 100 minutes. Similarly, 1 second is nothing but 1/100th of a minute. Means here, if you divide, you can divide 1 minute into 100 equal parts in centesimal system. Each part is called 1 second here. So 1 minute can be written as 100 seconds. 1 grade can be written as 100 minutes, and 1 right angle is nothing but 100 grades. So this is about centesimal system. Now in today's class we are going to study an important concept of trigonometry, that is a radian measure or circular system. Okay, so what is the meaning of circular system, that we'll see now. Okay, see. Circular system, or it is called as radian measure. See how it is defined. What is meant by radian? Very simple definition we have for radian. See, what is the definition of radian? Radian is an angle. It is a measure of angle. See, it is defined. Radian is an angle subtended at the center of a circle. Subtended at the center of the circle. The center of a circle by an arc of length 1 unit in a unit circle. See, again see here, a radian, very important definition of radian. A radian is an angle subtended at the center of a circle. See, if you consider a circle, okay, a circle, the fixed point you have in a circle, that is the center we can say, and if you consider one length, it is called as radius, and if you rotate this line or the ray, okay, a complete rotation or after complete rotation you will get a circular shape. Okay, see, this is a circle. Okay, now angle subtended at the center, okay, angle where it generates at the center, either it may be clockwise or it may be anti-clockwise. See, center of a circle by an arc, okay, by an arc. Arc means what? It is a part of circle or portion of circle. It is called as in Kannada kamsa. Okay, kamsa anta helteve. See, by an arc, I'll consider one arc, okay, of length 1 unit, arc of length 1 unit in a unit circle. Unit circle means what? A circle in which radius is 1 unit. Radius is 1 unit. Okay, see, what is the angle subtended? What is the angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc of length 1 unit in a unit circle is called as radian. Okay, the angle that generates, okay, what angle generates here, that is called as 1 radian when, okay, when it is having a arc of length 1 unit and radius is 1 unit. Okay, the central angle, okay, the angle makes by an arc, or arc makes an angle here. Arc makes an angle 1 radian. Okay, that is called a central angle. The central angle is to 1 radian ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ? When, okay, the arc of length 1 unit in a unit circle. ಈಗ ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಾವು 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ 1 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು, 1 meters, it may be 1 meters, 1 feet, 1 centimeter square, okay, sorry, kilometers, anyway. Okay, so 1 unit means that is 1 unit. Okay, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು. Okay, now see, if I consider this is a circle with the center O, radius of circle 1 unit only I'll consider, but if I consider here arc having the length 2 units, this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, so totally I am taking 2 units, 2 units. Then the angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc of length 2 units in a unit circle, this is 2 radian. Okay, this is 2 radian. Means here the central angle depends on the length of arc, the length of the arc. Okay, see, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 1 radian. If you measure full here 2 radian. If you consider here 3 unit, okay, 3 unit is the length of arc, and if you measure the central angle, then what is the angle subtended at the central or central angle is 3 radian. 3 radian. So here central angle is depending on the length of arc. And also here in 1 radian you can observe the length of arc is equal to the radius of circle. It may be any number. Okay, if you consider here 10 centimeter and here radius of circle also 10 centimeter, then also it is 1 radian. If you consider here the radius of circle is 2 centimeter and length of arc is 2 centimeter, then also it is 1 radian. Or in general, if you consider here r centimeter is the radius of circle and r centimeter is the length of arc, then also it is 1 radian. Or if you consider here x centimeter is the radius of circle, x centimeter is the length of arc, then also it is 1 radian. Means here, always remember, when we are saying 1 radian, then length of arc must be equal to the radius of circle. See, that is the second definition we can give for radian measure. Okay, see here 1 radian anta helidre, we can give another definition like the radian is an angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc of length is equal to radius of circle, radius of circle, this is means of 1 radian. Okay, 1 radian ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಲೆಂತ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ನ ಲೆಂತ್ ಕೂಡ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಆ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಜನ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗೋದು 1 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, so this is the definition also we can give for 1 radian, and 1 radian can be denoted by the symbol 1 to the power c. Okay, in generally we can write 1 to the power c as 1 radian, but usually we can write 1 itself without writing any powers. If you write just simply 1, it means 1 radian only. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು just 1 to the power c ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ 1 ಅಂತ ಬದಲಿಸೋದು 1 ರೇಡಿಯನ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೆಸಸರಿ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ದ ಪವರ್ಸ್. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ 1 is nothing but 1 radian, or you can write 1 to the power c also, no problem. Okay, likewise we can write the symbol of 1 radian. Okay, and the definition is very clear here. We can define the radian as it is the length angle subtended at the center of circle by an arc of length is equal to radius of circle, then it is 1 radian. Okay, and if you change, okay, if you change here the angle, see for example, if you consider, let theta be the central angle, let theta be the central angle which makes by an arc. Okay, an arc makes central angle theta with the radius of circle r I will consider. Okay, and this is L, let L be the length of arc, L be the length of arc. In that case we can write radian or central angle, center angle ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Center angle is nothing but the ratio of length of arc to the radius of circle. Always remember central angle, that is radian only. Okay, for example ಇದು 1 radian ಯಾವಾಗ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಾನು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೇನೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಕ್ is half unit. Okay, half unit. Then what is the central angle? That is nothing but half by 1, that is half radian. Half radian ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, half radian here. And if you consider the length of arc is 1 unit and radius also 1 unit, then the angle generates is what? 1 radian. Okay, the angle generates at the center of circle or center angle is 1 radian. 1 radian. If you consider here 2 units, like 1 unit plus 1 unit plus 1 unit, so totally 2 unit is the length of arc, then the central angle is 2 radian, because you can observe here the length of arc is 2 divided by 1 is 2 itself. Okay, now if you consider in clockwise directions, okay, like this is a fixed line, you have radius of circle 1 unit I will consider, and if you consider in a negative direction, okay, that is nothing but clockwise direction ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ with the unit 1 unit ಇರಲಿ, ಈಗ length of arc 1 unit, I am measuring here clockwise direction, then you will get angle is negative. So since your arc and radius have equal length, so this is nothing but minus 1 radian ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇದು ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ವೈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ ನಾನು 2 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಕ್ is 2 units. Then what is the central angle? Okay, if you measure clockwise direction, then minus 2 radian. So always here we can say, in generally, if you consider the length of arc is L or S ಅಂತ ಬೇಕಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು, then the central angle in radian, okay, central angle in radian is nothing but the ratio of length of arc to the radius of circle. or number of radians, the number of radians which is obtained at the center of circle is nothing but the ratio of length of arc, or we can say arc length also, we can say arc length to its radius. Okay, so this is the center angle. Remember, center angle is nothing but the ratio of arc length to radius. So here center angle is theta. We can say theta is nothing but L by R. Okay, theta is equal to L by R, and L can be written as by cross multiplying R into theta. Okay, always no need to write the power to theta as C. You should know here this is in radian. Okay, because we are obtaining the central angle by an arc here, so clearly it is radian. Understand? So like this, we can define the definition of radian in three ways. In the last way, we can define the radian as, or central angle in a radian as the ratio of arc length to its radius. So very important formula here. Okay, either you can say L is equal to R theta or S is equal to R theta. Okay, so now we'll move into the next concept, that is relationship between radian and real number. So what is the relationship between radian and real number? Radian and real number or real line. Okay, see. Let me consider a circle. Okay, unit circle only I'll consider. Okay, unit circle having the length of radius is 1 unit. Okay, this is a center. I'll consider the center of circle as C, and this is a radius I'll consider as 1 unit. And now I'll consider one real line such that which is intersecting this circle at one point. Okay, the real line touches the circle at one point. So we can say this line is the tangent of this circle. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ರಿಯಲ್ ಲೈನ್. ಇಟ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ 0. ಓಕೆ, 0. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇದು 2, ಇದು 3, -1, -2, -3 ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರ ನಡುವೆಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, rational numbers, irrational numbers, all numbers it contains, all the real numbers included in this, okay, line. Now, so same unit additions I consider in a circle, in a line also. Okay, 1 centimeter ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Now see here, if you rotate this line, okay, ಈ ಲೈನನ್ನು ನಾನು ರೋಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದರ ಮೇಲಿಗೆ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಯಿನ್ಸಿಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ 1 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯಾ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಕ್ 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಕೂಡ 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, 1 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಮೆಜರ್, ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಫುಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೊಟೇಟ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 2 ರೇಡಿಯನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ 3 ರೇಡಿಯನ್, 4 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಕ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀರಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. Means here we will get positively all the numbers as radian. If you consider the number 1, we will get 1 radian. If you consider number 2, we will get 2 radian. If you consider number 3, 3 radian. Here if you get number 3, so length of arc is 3 units. So the central angle is 3 radian anta agtade. 3 radian anta. Okay, like this. So if you consider any positive real numbers, we will get positive radian as that number. Okay, see, central angle sigtade. See, if you consider number 1, then this is equal to 1 radian. Number 2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2 radian, 3 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 3 radian ಅಂತ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇಫ್ ಯು ರೊಟೇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್ or if you rope this line ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿದೆ, -1 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ -2 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟ್ಲಿ ಮೆನಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ clockwise direction, same number I will get as in central angle. Okay. Similarly, if you consider positive numbers also, positive real number also, then also will get same number as central angle. So in general we can say radian is same as a real number. Radian is same as a real number. This is a relationship between radian and real number. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ 2 ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಕ್ನ ಓಕೆ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ನಮಗೆ ಆರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 2 ಅಂತ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಯಾ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ 2 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3 ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 3 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಆ ಥರ. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ radian is same as real number anta ashte. Okay, now the next very important concept we are going to study now, relationship between degree measure and radian measure. Okay, see relationship between degree measure and radian measure. See here, in a degree measure, you know, if you consider one ray and if you rotate this ray about its end point, after complete rotation you will get a revolution and the shape okay will get a circular shape here. Okay, a complete revolution means, you know, in a degree measure it is nothing but 360 degree. Okay, so in a degree measure a complete revolution, one revolution is equal to 360 degree. Okay, but what is the value of one revolution in a radian measure? So we know radian, how it is defined. It is nothing but the ratio of length of arc to the radius of circle. So let me consider here radius of circle as r units. Then the length of arc means here you can observe I rotated the ray a complete rotation. So arc means here it is the circumference of the circle, ಪರಿಧಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. So we know if we consider the radius of circle as r units, then its circumference of circle is 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Okay, so what is the central angle? The angle ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ central angle is nothing but 2 pi r divided by r. Central angle is nothing but here one revolution only. ಒನ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನೀವು ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಅದು 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೇಡಿಯನ್? ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 2 pi r divided by r. ಸಿ we can say one revolution here, that is central angle. What you got? Center angle ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 2 pi r divided by r. Here r get cancels, will get 2 pi radian. So center angle obtained is 2 pi and that is nothing but one revolution. See, if you consider any number for r, if you consider here number 1, here directly will get 2 pi. If you consider number 2, will get 2 pi into 2, 4 pi. Okay, likewise we can write. So one revolution means here clearly central angle what is obtained 2 pi, that is nothing but central angle or one revolution. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಒಂದು ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಈ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಏನು ಜನ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದು ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಿದೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ರೇಡಿಯನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಂಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 2πr ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಇಸ್ r, so we got 2π. So one revolution is nothing but 2π radian you got. So both are one revolution. In degree it is 360 degree, in radian 2π. So we can say since both are equal, so 2π is equal to 360 degree. Okay, always ಇಲ್ಲಿ 360 degree ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ, ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಪವರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ 2π. So 2π is equal to 360 degree. Here pi means what? Pi means irrational number. 22/7, you know its value is what? 3.1415 like this it comes. That is nothing but 142. 3.142 is pi value. So that is irrational number. But what is the pi radian value? Okay, pi radian, 2π radian ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. pi radian ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ if you divide by 2 on both sides you will get 360/2 in a degree. Okay, this is nothing but 180 degree. So we can say pi radian is nothing but 180 degree. Okay, if you take as angle, then pi radian is nothing but 180 degree. Okay, so the value of pi is 3.142 or 22/7. Now, so you got pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Now, since pi is an irrational number, that is 22/7, irrational number, we can divide pi on both sides because pi is a non-zero irrational number. So if you divide pi on both sides, pi by pi, that is 1 in radian only you will get, is equal to 180 degree divided by pi you got, or 180/pi degree. So remember, very important here, 1 radian is nothing but 180 divided by pi degree. Similarly here, 180 is non-zero number, 180 degree is non-zero number, so you can divide by 180 on both sides. Then what will get here? From this we can write pi by 180 is equal to 180/180, that is 1 degree. 180 degree by 180 degree, 1 degree. Okay, so here 1 degree is nothing but pi by 180 in radian. This is in radian. So 1 radian is nothing but 180/pi in a degree. 180/pi in a degree. See, if you multiply x on both sides here, if you multiply x on both sides here, we will get then x degree. So we can write x degree is nothing but x into pi by 180 radian. Okay, x degree we can write in a radian. We can convert a degree into radian or radian into degree. So x degree, how we can convert into radian? That is nothing but x into pi by 180 radian. Similarly, by multiplying x on both sides, we will get x radian value. So x radian, how we can find? X radian is equal to x into 180 divided by pi. It is in degree. ನೋಡಿ, ನೀವು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲನ್ನು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಇಂಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇಂಟು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಇಂಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ದೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ರೇಡಿಯನಿಂದ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 180/pi ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯಿಂದ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯಿಂದ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ pi by 180 ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. pi by 180. Remember, to convert an angle from radian measure into degree measure, we have to multiply 180/pi. To that of 30 degree in a radian. 30 degree in a radian I should write. So I should multiply pi by 180 to 30. So what will get here? 0, 0 get cancels. 3 ones are 3 6 are pi by 6 radian you got. So 30 degree is nothing but pi by 6 radian. What about 60 degree? 60 into pi by 180. Again 0, 0 get cancels. 6 ones are 6 3s are pi by 3. Okay, pi by 3. So 60 degree is nothing but pi by 3. What about 90 degree? 90 degree can be written as in degree radian measure like 90 into pi by 180. 0, 0 get cancels. 9 ones are 9 2s are pi by 2 radian. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ನೀವು ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯಿಂದ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಅದೇ ಥರ ರೇಡಿಯನಿಂದ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಓಕೆ ಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ pi by 12. Okay, this is radian they given. We need to convert that into degree. Okay, so I need to multiply 180 by pi, 180 by pi to this angle, then you will get in degree. Okay, so pi and pi get cancels. 6 2s are 6 3s are 30. Okay, so 2 1s are 2 15s are, so 15 degree is nothing but pi by 12 radian. ಓಕೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯಿಂದ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ರೇಡಿಯನಿಂದ ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ so very important concept here, how to convert degree into radian, radian into degree. Okay, we will solve some problems related this now. Okay, see, convert or express the following in the radian measure. Okay, express the following in ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಮೇಜರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 15 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. 15 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ದೇ ಗಿವನ್, ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಮೆಜರ್. ಸೊ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಸಿ 15 ಇಂಟು pi by 180. ಓಕೆ, pi by 180. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ 15 ones are 15 12s are, ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ pi by 12. pi by 12 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 25 degree they given. Okay, write this in radian form, radian measure. Okay, so 25 into pi by 180. Okay, simplify ಮಾಡಿ 5 5s are, okay 5 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ 5 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 3s are 15 ಮತ್ತು 36 are ಅಂತ ಆಯಿತು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 5 pi by 36 ಇನ್ ರೇಡಿಯನ್. ಅದೇ ಥರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 75 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಗಿವನ್. ಸೊ 75 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? 75 ಇಂಟು pi by 180 ಇನ್ ರೇಡಿಯನ್. 75 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 75 ಇಂಟು pi by 180 ರೇಡಿಯನ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ 15 5s are 15, 15 here 12s are, so 5 pi by 12 radian. 75 degree means 5 pi by 12 radian. Next take one, 240 degree. 240 degree, how to convert into radian? Okay, see, 240 into pi by 180. 0 0 get cancels. Here 6 4s are 6 3s are, so 4 pi by 3 radian. Very easiest, right? So likewise they will ask for 1 marks to convert radian into degree or degree into radian. Okay, the next question you have, minus 120 degree means here it is measured clockwise direction, so you got negative central angle, we got negative. Okay, see, so how to write this in terms of radian? So this is nothing but 120 into pi by 180. So 0 0 get cancels, 6 2s are 6 3s are, so minus 2 pi by 3 radian. Minus 2 pi by 3 radian. Next take one, 520 degree. 520 degree, how we can write in radian? See, 520 into pi by 180. Okay, so here 0 0 get cancels, can divide by here 2 2 9s are 2 Okay, 2 6 okay, 26 pi by 9 you got. 520 degree can be written as 26 pi by 9. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪುನಃ ನೀವು ಪೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 22/7 ಅಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ. Similar next, they given minus 120 degree is over, plus 120 degree they given, plus 120 degree means what will get, plus 2 pi by 3 radian will get. ಅದೇ ಥರ minus 520 degree means what will get, minus 26 pi by 9 radian will get. Next, minus 720 degree, minus 720 degree can be written as minus 720 into pi by 180. So here 0 get cancels, 18 ones are 18 fours are, so minus 4 pi. Okay, 720 degree, it is what, clockwise direction ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಎರಡು revolution ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 720 degree, negative minus 720 degree will get. Okay, see. Now next question, see, that is nothing but very important for 2 marks they will ask. 30 degree 40 minutes, 30 degree 40 minutes they given. Okay, so this you have to write in radian measure. Before that you have to write this in terms of degree. Okay, 30 degree 40 minutes, 40 minutes means it is fraction of degree, it is not complete degree, so that we have to write this in as complete degree, then we have to convert that into radian measure. See how to convert, see, here 30 degree 40 minutes, this can be written as like this, see, 30 degree 40 minutes, how we can write, see, 40 minutes, that is nothing but 1 minute is nothing but, you know, 1 minute means 1 by 60 degree, 1 minute is nothing but 1 by 60 degree, so 40 minute is nothing but multiply 40 on both sides, will get 40 by 60 degree. This is nothing but 0 get cancels, 2 1 2 is 2 3 is 2 by 3 degree. So we can write now this one as in complete degree 30, and here, okay, like this also you can write 30 degree 2 by 3 degree separately you can write, or this is nothing but 30 plus 2 by 3 degree, 30 plus 2 by 3 degree ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 13 to 3 90, take the LCM, 92 divided by 3 degree. So this is in terms of degree, in complete degree you got. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ fraction of degree ಇತ್ತು, fraction of degree ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ minutes ಬರ್ತದೆ, so we return the fraction of minutes into degree, so 2 by 3 degree ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. So complete what you got 92 by 3 degree ಅಂತ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಟು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ ವಾಟ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪೈ ಬೈ 180 ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ನೀವು ಪೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 22/7 ಅಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಪೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಯಾ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು 92/3 into, I'll write the pi value as 22/7 into 180. Okay, 22/7 into 180. What will get, see, by 3 into 22/7. Okay, right as it is, pi by 180 only. So here you can simplify. Here 4 23 is 92, 4 45 is 180. So we'll get here 23 pi by 3 into 45, that is 135. Okay, so 30 degree 40 minutes can be written in radian as 23 pi divided by 135. Okay, it's clear. In the next class we will solve some more problems, and also we will find the value of 1 radian. We know 1 radian is equal to what? 1 radian is nothing but 180 degree by pi. Okay, so if you substitute the value of pi as 22/7, what is the value of 1 radian will get, that we will see in the next class. And then next we will solve some problems related the conversion by using converting factor. See, remember here, to convert degree into radian we have to multiply the converting factor as pi by 180, and to convert radian into degree, you have to multiply the conversion factor, that is 180 by pi, to give an angle. So this is about our today's session. In the next class we will solve problems related this.